I'm just outside the door to the test lab. I'm going to go inside. So the test lab is set up in an old meeting space. We split it into two. We still have a bunch of new computers stacked in here. Those are a bunch of Mac Minis. I believe those are Scala players and a couple of screens that need to be set up. So test exhibit. This is set up to be kind of generic. We've got one of the mics that's being used on Foley on the left. Touch screen, monitor hung on the wall. That MDF wall was just put up and bolted to the back of the table. There's a camera set up there. That IP camera can be used to remotely monitor and watch people's interactions. We've got a variety of keyboards and Extron units, different types of computers. There will be a Mac Mini here somewhere as well. There's the Mac Mini underneath the portable drive. Audio, the buttons, the button emulator, just sitting inside. There it is. Just a Tupperware container. Screen. Can't see that too well, at least what I'm looking at. But there's an application launcher there, and it says quit unexpectedly. So we have testbed 1, so when they're looking at the camera they can confirm which exhibit they're looking at. And we have testbed 2. It's another one, similar setup, different type of microphone. Cameras set up. We have some separate controls here, some Extron power units that can be tested out. There's a Cisco MXE, smaller form factor touchscreen on a mount. This workstation we're pretty much just using for Skype and communications. More supplies. We have a small rack unit. Sorry, there's another wireless camera up there. IP camera. This one is systems and monitors for the control units. So there's the Pivot scheduler machine and SQL box. There's a small rack here with 3 units. The Cisco MXE is the silver box on the bottom with a little dongle coming out of it. There's I believe a Juniper router in there and at least one HP box. Maybe both HP boxes are in there. The HP boxes are being used as test servers, and it's being replicated to move over to the NSC as a pre-production environment. A couple more Mac Minis. The most recent generation on the left, the previous generation that we bought, the first batch of test units on the right, another Tupperware container. So it's not pretty, but it works extremely well. So again, the test bed is labeled. There's a screen up there. Record your own story. So this looks like a heart story. Record your own story about the energy sector. Think about what you want to say. Press the button to record. When you're finished speaking, press the button again to stop recording. So you can see the little green bars representing my voice level. It's listening right now. So there's a camera up here, and one of the remote developers could watch me come up and interact with keyboards and buttons and other things. And actually there's been quite a bit of that going on. So that's it. This is our test lab. It's about 5 meters across at the widest, 4 meters the narrower. It's a little bit of a funky room, and it's maybe 10 meters across. And it's been well used. This has been a great thing to have in place.